Woo!
What time now?
12 o'clock. Making good time, good time. Boom. Boom. Let's get going, get some more fish in there. It's freezing, man. The fish are frozen. The gloves are going nice too, you know.
Extra flavor.
Hand frozen. So the gloves are going there. Boom, so we got that going. You know what I'm saying? We got it going. You know what I mean? Bang, 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 bang. So we out here in the elements, my beautiful people, doing our things. 9 degrees, 9 degrees, 9 degrees. You know what I'm saying? Cooking fried chicken, fried fish, boiled dumpling. You know what I mean? Some yam. You know what I mean? Some corn. You know the vibes. You know what I'm saying? Boom. You done know. We're in the Bronx. You done know. You done know. Shout out Gun to the Road. Shout out White Plains Road. Shout out 241st, 219, 214, 213. You know what I mean? Shout out 225th. You done know. Shout out 233rd. Yo. You done know. Shout out Bronx Street. You done know. Shout out the Bronx. Shout out Laconia. You know what I mean? You know the vibes. You know the vibe. You done know. Shout out Mount Vernon. You done know. Love and more love. You know what I mean? Fordham Road, stand up. You know what I mean? You done know. Webster, stand up. Yo, we're there, we're there. You know what I mean? Grand Concourse, yo, we're there. Love and more love, my beautiful. We're there in our Bronx right now. You know what I mean? Holding the meds.
Yeah?
Enough island there, you know? No, that's one good. You know? No, enough island there. We got my fry fish again next week. Boom, we got the fry fishing going, you know what I'm saying? We'll just put enough airline pot, but you know, we're gonna work with it. You know what I mean? Eat in the morning for breakfast. I said fried dumpling. Also, that's posting what Jamaican, you know what I mean? I said Ginger, everybody don't like fried dumpling. We're making boiled dumpling today, Ginger. Boiled dumpling today. Woo, hand frozen again. Let's try.
So drink something, man. Drink something.
Yeah, you know, so I was saying, my beautiful people, you know what I mean?
Drink the food.
No matter no matter the outcome, I'm gonna try, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do my best to try and push myself this year, you know what I'm saying? And try to make it happen. Let's see how far I reach, you know what I mean? So I'll keep y'all in tune, you know what I mean? So when I say make goals, set goals for yourself, you know what I mean? I just wanna be talking, you know what I'm saying? I'm also taking action as well, you know what I mean? And we take these actions together, you know what I mean? So bam, you're done now. You know what I mean? So boom. Woo! Boom. Try to warm the hams up real quick. J baby, you got the fish going. Yeah, I got the fish going. You know what I'm saying, J baby, I got the fish going. You know what I'm saying?
Pull up.
We got the fish going. Try to warm my hands up real quick, you know what I mean? Before I get to the next task, you know what I'm saying? We got the fish going. You know what I'm saying?
Chicken's working.
We got the chicken working. You know what I mean? Butcher working on the fried chicken. Doing this thing out there, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? We got the fried chicken going. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Gargamel. You know what I mean? Boom. Nice and golden. You know what I mean? Shout out to the G. I said that's good. You done know. So we working. You know what I'm saying? We working. You know? So boom. So you know, so we're gonna get the fish going. As soon as the fish going, I ain't gonna fry them too dry. You know? I ain't gonna fry them too dry.